Still here. It's breakfast time. Some egg whites and some bread. Try to find us a load out of this place. We got us a load from Chicago, Illinois. We're about an hour and a half away from the pickup, and going to be delivering to Jonesville, South Carolina. So this is going to take us back home. And you got $3,200 for that trip. I think it's around about 650 to 700 miles. So basically about the same thing when we left. We drove 2 hours to Jefferson, Georgia, picked up tractors, and did 3,000 to Michigan. So basically we did a load in between just so we'll keep moving. And now we got another load back home for about the same 32. So I need to go home and do some paperwork. I got a audit. All you new owner operators and new companies that open, you'll have an audit from the FMCSA within the first year sometime, and you have to produce a lot of paperwork just to make sure you're keeping records of everything. So I need to go home and take care of all that, and then I can get back on the road and make some money. So let's go. Guess he's looking for my order. Well, he said I didn't see you on the schedule for today, but he said he's gonna get me loaded. He's gotta go get some paperwork from another warehouse. He's about to drive over there. The guy right there, getting into the car, and we gotta go where the short truck is when he pulls out. But right now we're like on the street over here. We're gonna have to use the street to back in. So I told him my appointment wasn't until 11, so I'm an hour early, but he's like, that's cool. I'll go ahead and get you loaded. So he's gonna go grab some paperwork a mile or two down the road because they got different warehouses. And we're going back into the dock whenever the short truck comes out. We'll go in there and get in there, and hopefully we can get out of the road. We're just parked in the middle of the street. Got one of these docks, you cannot see anything. It's all dark in here. Gotta go over there. Back in this way, had to go slow because of traffic. I have to pull in the street to back up more. Time to eat some cereal since my bunk heater never got fixed. Well, they could have fixed it, meaning replaced it, but since it never got fixed, I got this electric blanket plug in, and I used it last night. Kept me warm. Leave it on for like an hour and got hot, so I have to turn it off and then leave it off for a while, a few hours, and then turn it back on. Well, we got loaded. It's a full load, but we only got 18,000 pounds. Sweet Baby's Ray, sweet and spicy beef jerky. It's close, ain't it? Oh, it's catching on that side. Should have slit my tandems.
Crossing border, entering Kentucky.
stop for the night. Just wanted to show you what I got going on here. Pull up the satellite image here because that way I can see when I pull in here. I can go this way around the gas stations and everything to my right. Try to park here, or you got parking right here, a little area, so that way I'm not just seeing driving around not knowing where I'm going, and I can kind of see how the parking lot's laid out. So we're about to be at the TA Florence 093 Kentucky, and there's gonna be any parking here. Got traffic's backed up, everybody trying to get in at the same time. Got a bunch of trucks not even moving. We're back at the back of a Walmart. I unhooked my truck from my trailer because we got two lights out, so gotta check the connection. It drizzle a little bit, it's about to pour down rain, so I'm just trying to get this done as soon as possible. But I want to show y'all, I got out my box, got my tester light, got a good ground on it. See, the flashers are working. So there's two wires coming from the back of the light. There's three wires coming from the back of the light. Is three wires, white, red, and black. So the white is ground, so it's either going to be black or red. So the red lights are hooked to the yellow wire here. Sorry, I'm trying to show y'all. These red wires are hooked to both of the lights, which is hooked to this yellow light. So now when I touch the yellow light, yellow wire, let me get a good connection. See that? The light comes on with the flashers. So the white light is ground, the red light is flashers, so that means the black wire is our problem. So let's get that fixed. I actually found the problem. These lights here, wires, I'm not touching. Let's check if I put them together. So if I put them together, then they light up. So basically they just broke apart from each other. It wasn't a good connection from the beginning. So I just have to fix that and put it back together before it rains. You guys can see me. I got a light on my head. So let's try this again. It's gonna be hard to see. So this one, and this one, all these three. Okay, now let me check one more time before I put it together. Okay, it's working. So right now I'm just taping these wires together so they don't come back out. Okay, now let's put the other one. the test. Running lights, blinkers and turn signals. Come on now. There you go. Blinkers and turn signals. That's gonna be all for tonight. I was gonna stop at that TA. Had everything nearby, but everybody was trying to fuel up there and get in there because of all the restaurants. But I'm gonna eat some cereal in the morning when I wake up. I'll be at home tomorrow morning, so I'm about to go right across the street, the Waffle House. You see the yellow sign right there, so it's not that far of a walk. Or they got Arby's or McDonald's or something like that, but I'll probably go Waffle House. I like their grilled chicken. So have a good night. Stay blessed.